We begin with the story of a remarkable railway line, linking Zambia's copper heartland to the port of Dar es Salaam in the Indian Ocean, Tanzania. This critical artery of African infrastructure is being given a new lease on life, courtesy of the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation. This is not just a story of engineering and investment, it is a tale of geostrategic maneuvering, a continuation of China's Silk Road policy, and a testament to the rising competition with Western interests, particularly the United States. Dr. Mei-Shin Yu, a prominent expert on China-Africa relations, provides an insight into the motivations behind China's actions. China's investment in Africa's infrastructure is a strategic move. It is about securing a steady supply of critical minerals like copper and cobalt, essential for our high-tech industries, she explains. On the other side of the globe, DACH entrepreneurs and stakeholders are watching these developments closely. Christoph Kies, a renowned DACH entrepreneur, believes there are significant opportunities for DACH businesses in Africa. Sustainable infrastructure, green technologies, and future mobility are areas where we can excel. However, it's not just about expanding in Africa, it's about understanding the culture and innovating, he emphasizes. A local African stakeholder, Nia Kajumba, shares her perspective. We are not just beneficiaries, but active participants in these developments. We need partners who respect our culture and contribute to sustainable growth, she states. In summary, China's billion-dollar investment in Africa's infrastructure is indeed a strategic move. It not only secures its supply of vital resources, but also strengthens its position in the global geopolitical landscape. Meanwhile, for Dutch entrepreneurs, Africa presents a fertile ground for innovation and expansion. However, the key to success lies in cross-cultural understanding and sustainable practices. As the world watches the unfolding of this modern-day Silk Road, one thing is clear: the stakes are high, and the game is far from over.